Hi Student Success. This video is for Wednesday, April 8th. We are in week 12, so we are moving right along. So this week is actually, it's going to be pretty short and sweet. Tonight, Wednesday, April 8th, you had your week 11 assignments due. So just as a reminder of what those are, you were in week 11. Last week's PowerPoint kind of started talking about some of these concepts, and you were turning in these two assignments, exercise 4.1, which was like a time analysis assignment, and then your journal entry. It's over chapter 4. So in the assignment area, it directs you to go a little bit more, go into your textbook, find exercise 4.1, do the little exercise. It's basically asking you to kind of look to see how much time you spend on certain activities. Then the part where you actually get credit is when you come in here, answer those 3 questions. So you click right inside, kind of keep those questions maybe visible, or copy and paste them somewhere else if you need to, and you can click right in the right submission area and type right there for all 3 questions using what you answered with the little exercise in your text under 4.1. And I have more information on that on the video that was for April 1st. The second thing was your journal entry. So typical journal entry, you were choosing your insider action over the chapter 4 concept. So those are due tonight. I know I've had several of them already come floating in. I've been trying to grade as they arrive. So today's video, as I mentioned, is going to be rather short and sweet. It's kind of a continuation of an idea from week 11. Week 11 was about managing time, energy, and money. Well, week 12, which will be open soon, kind of continues that money management concept. So we're still talking about like managing our money. To do that, you're going to go into the assignment area, and you're going to see 2 things. You're going to see here at the bottom your actual assignment. But this video right here, this is something that East Ark State put out to help our students navigate this assignment, is going to show you how to do this assignment. So there's like a video within this video. I'm not going to play it, but you will play it to kind of help navigate. Basically what you're doing is the work will be done in this website right here, Ohio Means Jobs. So you will click on that website, and the video right above it kind of walks you through everything. You are going to go under college students, financial literacy. You're going to take the basics of money management. Now the video you watch that'll show you how to get into this assignment will say you have to launch the site. They've changed the button to start tutorial. So that's going to be the main difference there. And then you'll go through this unit 1, looking at all those options and then taking a post test. As I mentioned, this video right here in week 12 will show you, it's like 3.5 minutes. It'll show you once you're done with that post test, how to get your certificate and what to do with it. Because eventually when you have your certificate, you'll save it as a PDF. You'll click into the assignment, and this is where you will submit your certificate. That tells me that you have done the work. So I will not see the actual work you are doing inside Ohio Means Jobs, because you're going to look through these different lessons and say it's only a page long. These aren't terribly long things. You'll look through the different lessons. You can click in, spend as much time as you need to, kind of play around, especially if you struggle with money management. And then again, eventually you will get to the post test where you will have to take kind of like a little quiz. And then when you're done, there's 10 questions. You'll hit score my test. It'll bring up a little thing. You have to plug your name in, and it'll give you a certificate. And again, that is what you are uploading into this assignment area right here. Okay, so that is what is going to be due for April 15th. That is going to serve as your week 12 attendance. Okay, so please make sure you do that. One other thing I wanted to address, and I know I put it in an email I sent to you, is your sorry, let me get into it as soon as I find it. Maybe it's, oh, here we go. Your student workshops. Now, your student workshops, obviously, we're not on campus any longer. So if you did not get the student workshop requirement completed before we left for spring break, at this point, do not worry about it. Not even all the online sessions are happening now because of all the changes and things that are going on. So even a lot of the online sessions they've canceled, mostly because there's hardly anyone on campus to even record and do these sessions. So if you did the requirement already, you did not waste your time. It has already been incorporated into your grade, so it's part of your grade. If you did not do it, I'm just going to mark you exempt so that it does not hurt your grade. Okay, so I know I had a couple of people asking about that, and I told you I would look into it, and that's kind of what, as a department, we decided to do, was just exempt anyone who did not complete that requirement yet. Okay, so this is your video again for Wednesday, April 8th. To recap, by tonight, April 8th, for week 11, you are submitting exercise 4.1 and journal 4, chapter 4. And then for next week, April 15th, you are completing the money management assignment in week 12. Hope you are all doing well. Talk to you soon.